my supplier for dried fishes, but he's still closed. So we're gonna proceed in Legazpi City to check on his other branch. So sad that he's still closed. I wish tomorrow he'll be open. Otherwise, I may prolong my stay here. So I need to go back as soon as I can in Manila. So I'm still with my two nephews and my mother at the back.
Hi. Wrong timing.
So we're gonna do the shortcut to go in Legazpi City, because there is the other side will cause traffic, not unlike in here. So we're gonna turn right. Huwag akong naalala ko palagi, ano yung may iba pa? Ano puro ako. So here we are. So I thought it will be a sunny morning, but the sun hides again. Ano nga lugar to?
Dalaga pa rin.
So we're still here in Daraga. Magkakasalita kayo.
Dalaga. Albay.
Dalaga albay.
Kaya magdalang ka.
Alfred.
Paano lang ano?
Ah, 2 minutes agad.
Sige, yan naman yan. Bye for now guys and guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.